hope everybody's having a great weekend. We're here at the Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best tool deals at the store. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. To start here, we got $329 for this mower. It's on clearance. I'm pretty sure it's going to drop it lower in price. $329 is obviously it's not the greatest deal, but keep an eye out on that one because it will drop. This one, guys, this one's $379, guys. This is the newer model. Obviously you're gonna pay a little bit more, but you're gonna get a lot more runtime. You're gonna get 60 minutes on this one. On the other one, you don't get as much. So yeah, this is the newer model. Definitely recommend you guys spend a little bit more and get that extra runtime. This one's a clearance 40-volt string trimmer, still $52 down from $149. They're sold out on this one, but you might be able to find it at your store. Here's another one. Here's a 24-volt for $134, down from $149 with the 4 amp hour. You got the blower and string trimmer combo kit on sale for $229, down from $279. And then we got this one. This one's the blower and the string trimmer combo from Skill. Now on this one, you're gonna get a little bit more CFM on the blower. So these are mostly for medium-sized to smaller yards. Just keep that in mind. Pretty much entry level weed whackers and blowers. That's what these are. The Skill's a little bit more stronger, has a little bit more power than the Cobalt. Like I said, around 500 CFM. The Cobalt, I believe it has 400 something. And then this one's barely bare bones for a really small yard. That blower, I believe, is like 200 or 300 or 350 CFM, so that's really weak. It's 107 though. If you got a small yard, that's a great deal there. And if you were looking to sport the Craftsman's here, we got the blower and string trimmer. This one's a 20 volts for $99. Obviously, like I said, not that powerful. Alright, so clearance, we got the Skill leaf blower for $79. That's a kit. It does come with the battery. Obviously, you got the Cadillac here. This is the Eagle 650 CFM. This thing's a beast. But it is the older model, so they're clearancing it out. And then you got the attachment for the, attachment blower. $87 on that one. Skill Power Core edge trimmer for $119. So all these are on sale. This is the clearance section. This is the only thing that was worth looking at the clearance section. A bunch of mower blades, different sizes. You can probably match it to your mower blade or your mower in case you want to get an extra mower blade for it. So I'm not gonna go over all these because obviously there's a whole tons. There's another clearance section here for the. They got two mowers and a generator. This is the generator, Generac. So it's $999. Tank was, guys. Every time you're looking at the clearance section, make sure you guys looking at the website because sometimes these are on sale, and sometimes it's not but the best deal to get it on the clearance, even if it says new lower price or was this was that. Sometimes it's not true, they're on sale, so it's not much more. And the other one that you saw right there, it's leaking oil, so I wouldn't definitely buy that. So I would just, I don't know if that works or not, but it's leaking oil, so. These two are pretty good. The last one was pretty good, but doesn't have the bag. This one's just the engine at 150, so if you need a spare engine for your pressure washer. Then you got the foam cannon here. We got an extended wand for the pressure washer. This is a nice thing to have, guys, because if you guys are climbing up the ladder with with the wet ladder, you guys are running the risk to slip off. Might as well just spend, if you got a 2-story house or if you do that for a living, invest, guys. Invest in safety, invest in yourself. And especially on safety, that's what you want to invest on. It'll prevent you from going up that ladder. Alright, so $629 on that one. And then you got this Greenworks for $99. Really basic, but it does work. It should work really good. for 1700 psi. You got a 2300 for 299. You got a 3300 Craftsman for 498. It is gas powered by Honda, so that's a great engine to have. 149 down for 199. It's a two-piece combo kit, drill driver, and impact driver. You got a string trimmer, 149 too. So both of those are. And then you got these on clearance. These are the shirts. These are John Deere's, 647. Not bad, guys. If you guys need a shirt for the for the yard work and all that around the house. Trade stack on clearance for 135, and then you got a trade stack tool storage for $13. Those tools were all sold out. I'm just showing you guys the tags in case you guys want a price match at your Lowe's. And then we got the bonus cargo, $23. Junior 8-piece kits, Cobalt for $14. You got a Spider Pro Shops tool for $42, down from $49. Like I said, I'm pretty sure all these things are gonna drop in price in some of the stores. $69.98 for the Skill 12 volt. These are great little drills, guys, for the house. Even if you're a handyman and stuff like that, those are great little drills. Lighter on the, and then they do got the buy more save more on that brand. And this is the way the DeWalt section looks like. There's a whole bunch of DeWalt. So these are the newer ones. However, I did see some of the YouTubers already broke some of these. Or one of the YouTubers already broke some of these. I don't know. Let us know in the comment section if you guys used these before. I might get my hands on one of these and test it out. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to test one of those out. Or those out. See if they work. But I did hear that one of the YouTubers already broke one. So I don't know if he was using how they were using it, or if they were using it the right way or not, or they were just messing around. Let us know that in the comment section if you guys saw their video or you guys know anything about that. We got the buy one get one free from DeWalt. These are great deals, guys. These are great tools, especially the oscillating tool. Same thing with this one. This one's a great deal. Buy one get one free. They're still running these deals, so make sure you guys, that angle grinder should be pretty good. The saw socket gets a little vibration, but does have a lot of power. You got the router. So a whole bunch of good tools. You got the hammer drill, the impact driver, the impact wrench, the circular saw. So pretty much all the other tools that are necessary to complete a job there. Same thing with the DeWalt's. You got the power stack at $199. Get a free tool with that. Oscillating tool is a beast. That D-handle rotary hammer, guys. That rotary hammer is probably the best deal of all of these to get, because that rotary hammer is more than $200 by itself. So you're basically getting the stack lithium batteries for free, or either or. So $100 a piece. ToughBuilt. These seem to be pretty nice screwdrivers and tools. But the thing that I did see, some of these are a little bit overpriced. I could understand that you want to invest in higher quality. But I mean, you could get a name brand. Well, this is actually a name brand, but you can get the original name brand for just about the same amount of money. This one I do understand, because this one's different. This one's it's for the trends. It's for somebody specific. Something like this, I don't know if somebody would use this. Maybe you're doing carpentry or general work. But yeah, it's just trade specific, I would say. I don't know, because they're not selling a lot on this one. Every time I come by, they are selling, because I could see they're very useful. $19.98 for this torpedo level. Really nice to look at it. I believe it does have metal. It does have aluminum frame for durability. So that's a plus on that one. See, they're all metal, so that, you got some nice heavy duty use there. It goes down to 9 inches to 15, so that's pretty good, extendable, easy to see. This one's $34, $34.98. Then you got this one, scraper knife. I would definitely use this one on the job site or at the house. So that's a good one to get. The job pliers, I mean, it depends on what you like. If you guys like the design, a lot of I would definitely, if I'm gonna be spending that much money, might as well just go with the name brand, which is the groove joint pliers, or the original brands. All right, so you got some deals here. $99 drill driver kit or impact driver. Impact driver is already sold out. You got $145 on clearance, down from $179. A warm dry saw. That's right there. This is $145. Skill saw. You got a stapler or a nailer, my bad. Nailer, a pen nailer for $119. This is actually a pretty good deal. You guys know ToughBuilt will make some really good nailers. You got a table saw here on clearance for $359, down from $449. That's actually not a bad deal. It does include this rolling stand. So everything, same thing with this one. It does include it is the Bosch. So you guys know it's a great brand. $377. That's a really good deal on this one for clearance. I don't know if they're selling the full model, but yeah, that would be nice to have something like that. And then this one, you got the miter saw. This is not the slider, it's just the miter saw, a dual bevel. So it's $300, down from $429 on clearance. This one's $148, down from $299. It's the Metabo. It's a 12-inch dual bevel miter saw. It's not the slider, it's just a chop saw. This one is the slider if you're on a budget, but if you want all the features, you can have that one. Very inexpensive at $244. Down from $349, so that's pretty good. You got the slider, so that's a $229. This is the 10-inch. The other one was a 12. This one's clearance, a 19-piece home tool set for $797. And then another ToughBuilt. You got a 2-piece here for $5 a piece, around $5 a piece. So that works. That's a really good deal on those. There's something new that catch my attention. This is the Work Sharpeners. Let me know in the comment section if you guys prefer this belt style. I do prefer the old-fashioned way with the the file, the rock, basically. And then this one's the molding bar, 10-inch molding bar. I'm just showing you guys the tags because they're on clearance, but most of these are already sold out. So if that interests you, you guys can look at your store. All right, we got some good deals on this one. Some of these are on clearance. So this one's $649 for a 7-tool combo kit. This one is a 5-tool combo kit. This is actually not bad. It does include the fast charger for $399. That is a really good deal because you're getting 5 tools for $399. So that's less than $100 a piece, not including those batteries or the fast charger that they include. Got a 7-tool combo kit and a rolling soft case for $449. It's $50 off, not bad. This one's pretty good too. This is a 4-tool combo kit. That oscillating tool is good. It's actually a 3-tool combo kit, but pretty good at $249. That's a good deal on those. $119 for these two, or each. You got buy more, save more. So you spend $300, save $100. So that's definitely a really good deal on those. If you guys are looking to get like a nice kit to start for the house, those are pretty good tools. They are all brushless, so definitely recommend those tools for the house. And Cobalt's solid. So all right, we got some more clearance. We got some bits. We have bits. $11.97 on number 2 square. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.